F1, double trouble in lane 2. Are my line judges ready? Drivers, are you ready? Let's race. And Purple Passion takes that first round. Purple Passion, we'll see you back in lane 2, double trouble F1. Again, I want to thank my line judges. We got Minnesota Al in the back. Standard track things we got going on here. And don't forget, Christmas is right around the corner. We got 11 make great Christmas presents.
He's probably not, but... Oh yeah, I am. Oh,
Next Saturday, starting at 6 o'clock, we'll have our ugly sweater party here at the game.
All right, in lane 1, we've got Double Trouble being driven by Dan the Sofa Man, being driven by Paula.
Hey, yeah, the problem is, they're my neighbors, they're my surfers.
Able to get that underneath the 5-minute rule. All right, we've got Double Trouble in lane 1, Purple Passion in lane 2. All right, all my line judges ready. Drivers, are you ready? Let's race. Or not. Let's wait for the autograph them as well. Or he will in just a second. Alright. Take 2. Line judges, are we ready? Drivers, are you ready? Let's race. And the Purple Passion takes the win and is the winner of the lovely Salt and Pepper Shakers. And a medallion made out of exotic materials I found in my backyard and some cash. I want to thank y'all for coming out to the Gap and braving the elements. Don't forget, next Saturday we've got our ugly Christmas sweater competition starting at 6 o'clock. Y'all come on out if you feel like it. And we've got hoodies for sale over at the bar over there. Willie, why don't you play us a couple of tunes and